In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to 1,000 subscribers fast. And we're starting right now. Hi there, David Walsh here from davidwalshonline.com, and we help you grow your YouTube channel. So you've watched my video on how to get to 100 subscribers and you've hit that 100 subscriber mark and got your custom URL. Now, if you haven't watched that video, make sure to click the link up there to watch it. There will be tips on there to help you do so. And if you haven't got your custom URL, make sure to click the link also up there to help you get your custom URL. Both links are in the description below. So you're successfully growing your channel. You've stopped doing those painting exercise videos, or painter size as you've called them. And that viral cat has actually agreed to subscribe to your channel. So now what's next? Well, you obviously want to get to 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 hours so you can get your channel monetized. In this video, we're just going to focus on getting those 1,000 subscribers. Your 4,000 hours of monetization we're going to do in a separate video. Link will be in the description below. With 1,000 subscribers, not only can you get monetization on your channel, but you can also stream live from your mobile. Now, if you're already past the 1,000 subscriber mark, you can also watch these tips to get to your next 1,000. So how are you going to get to that next 1,000 level? First thing you need to do is you need to look at your analytics. Find out what videos are performing best. See what views are coming in, see what watch time is coming in, and also see how many subscribers those videos are bringing in. There are going to be certain videos that are going to outperform everyone else. So what you've got to do is to create more videos like that. Link those videos together with cards on your video and end screens, and also with links in your description below your video. If you've got one video that brings in a lot of views and subscribers on a certain topic, creating more content on that topic and then sending them to another video and another video and another video will help you get more views, get even more watch time, and ultimately get more subscribers. Every so often you will find a video that pulls in more subscribers than it does get views. So you want to make a decision whether you want to go for views or more subscribers. Go for more subscribers and create more videos around that topic. Tip number 2 is to improve your thumbnails. When you're looking at your videos, make sure to look at the click-through rate of your thumbnails on your videos. Again, some thumbnails will do better than others, so see what the difference is and then do more of the ones that have a higher click-through rate. You want to entice people to click on your thumbnails, so if you are using clickbait methods to do so, that can work. Now, one thing with that is, it is one thing to use clickbait methods to get people to click on your videos and not have what you promise on the thumbnail or the title. If you're going to use clickbait, make sure to fulfill on the promise. Whatever you promise that is clickbaity, that gets the click, make sure to include it in the video. Clickbait isn't necessarily a bad thing if what you promise is actually delivered. The whole point of your thumbnail is to get people to click. So remove any confusing text, any small text, any images that might cause confusion as to what your video is about. Remove all of that. Keep your thumbnails nice and simple, easy to read and easy to understand, and you'll get more clicks. The more clicks you get on your videos, the more watch time you get, and then the more subscribers you get. From your analytics, you'll also see what search terms are being used to find your content. Make sure to include those terms in your titles and on your thumbnails. Also make sure to include those keywords in your descriptions and also your tags. So you can go back to your previous videos. If they're not performing as well as the very best videos that you've got, you can do this investigation, see what search terms are being used, and include that search term in your title, your descriptions, and of course your tags. The next tip is to go to meetups and join communities. Now, at the moment we are going through lockdown, so going to physical meetups is a bit difficult, but you can still join online meetups and online communities. In the previous video, I showed you where you can find a number of Facebook groups and also groups on Instagram where you can connect and promote your videos. Now you've got past that 100 mark, you want to start connecting with physical people, go to those meetups, go to those communities, connect with people, and then start promoting your content. You can connect with other people, you'll like their content, become friends, and then start using that to expand your audience. Now, if you can't find a meetup near you or a community, then make one. You could set up a club or a meetup in school or anywhere that you have a group of people that you can bring together for YouTube to help promote each other's channels. Get your friends together, get your friends' friends and their friends to come together maybe once a week or once every other week, and then you can start talking about what's worked for you on your channel. Other people can share what's working for them, and then you can start masterminding, coming up with ideas on what content to create to get more views and ultimately more subscribers. Being part of a community is also a great way to improve your thumbnails. You can set up a little WhatsApp group with 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 friends. You could send 2 or 3 versions of the thumbnails for your videos and then get them to decide which one is better. Usually the majority of people will pick one thumbnail that works better than the others. Use that on your videos and that will also help you improve your thumbnails too. Now, before I continue with the rest of these tips, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays and go live every Saturday, 6 p.m. UK time, where I answer your questions to grow your YouTube channel. The next tip is to take advantage of trending topics. You can go to Google Trends and find out what's trending right now. Put in your topic in the search bar. So at the moment, Michael Jordan is a big trending topic with his show on Netflix. Then under web search, you can select YouTube search. And then you can also do a search for worldwide. And you'll see that Michael has a couple of peaks where his shows were released on Netflix. So if you were into basketball, you could create content around the show, around Michael Jordan, and that would help get more traffic from this trend. If you want to select trends in your own country, you can select them from the drop down and then take advantage of those trends in that country. The next tip to get to your next 1,000 subscribers is to grow your other social platforms. Now you've got momentum, you've got your over 100 subscribers on your channel, people will want to connect with you on other platforms. If you haven't done so already, make sure to set up your Instagram, your Twitter, maybe Facebook, and depending on where you are, you might also want to set up LinkedIn too. Set up those platforms and actively promote them. Promote them on your videos, put them in every description on your videos as well. Also your about page on your channel and also up on the channel art as well. Be proactive on those platforms and make sure to send people back to your videos on those platforms. Upload the thumbnail to your video on Instagram and then have the link to your channel in your bio. On Facebook and LinkedIn, you can upload the image there and have a link to the video in the comments area. And on Twitter, you can link just directly back to your video and have the thumbnail on there too. When you go to meetups or join communities, make sure to connect with other people there through their other social platforms as well. Be proactive as possible, publicizing your videos on those platforms. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to spam them every single day. As I said, every time you upload a video, make sure to link back to it. And if you get nice comments on there too, you can also take a snapshot of that and post them on your socials and tag the person who left that comment too. Growing your community is vital for you to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Which one of these tips are you going to use right now? Let me know in the comments area below. Also, which tips do you use to get to your next 1,000 subscribers? Let us know again in the comments below. As I mentioned earlier, I will be doing a separate video on getting those 4,000 hours of watch time once you've got to 1,000 subscribers. I'll show you the techniques we use with our customers and clients to increase watch time to get to that magic 4,000 hour mark. So make sure to watch out for that video coming very soon. Link will be in the description below when it's available. And if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button right here and hit the notification bell. If you haven't watched my video on how to get your first 100 or next 100 subscribers, make sure to watch that one there. And if you haven't got your custom URL yet and you have 100 subscribers, make sure to watch that video right there.